You have understood in the morning session what is Pasha and Chedanena. How do you cut asunder these bonds, emotional bonds? To a certain extent, we have to nurture the emotional bond also. In what way can we nurture the emotional bond? Emotional bond can be nurtured by making go the family into a progressive mode. If you allow your family to get into a progressive mode, then you are not cutting off. You are giving impetus, giving that energy quotient to your family. If you don't give that energy quotient to your family, the spiritual values you have to give to your family, you know you have to give financial value. Of course, you are doing it. But you don't know what is the kind of an emotional value you have to give to the family. You may think, if I give love and affection, is it okay? Is it okay? Or is it okay? Love and affection is okay only to a certain extent. Then emotional bonding has to be done to a family. You have to give the right direction to the members of your family. Just because you are financially independent, just because you are emotionally independent doesn't matter. You have to have the proper bonding of emotion in this life. 90% of you don't understand Samskriti. Samskriti comes in, samskara, basically. But Samskriti you don't understand. Religious culture plus emotional culture towards the right and the proper kind of an emotion you have to give to your family. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. You have to make them understand these 4 points of Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. Then only they will get the direction in their life. Just because you are independent financially, it doesn't mean they'll also be emotionally independent. You have got a wrong idea. You must give them financial comfort, you have given them financial, so many things. But 90% of you lack emotional content you give. You have forgotten to give emotional content to your family. You may have care, but still with that care, 90% of you don't have, or you have, I should say, don't care attitude. Most of you are suffering from a don't care attitude in your life. The problem with all of you is, this is a don't care attitude. Why don't care attitude? Because you don't know this Dharma, Artha, Kama, because emotional bonding should be proper. You may attain moksha, you think so. You will not. You will not attain. If you don't make quality being, quality in their family being, in your whole family circle, you will not give them moksha. Because you don't advocate the principle of moksha to all your family members. You are ignorant of that fact. Stupid of you. First of all, You don't know dharma. So next, you don't understand moksha. But you understand other two effects, artha. So where are you faltering? Where are you tripping? Because you don't have a kind of an emotional bonding with your family. ಕಾಳಜಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. ಏನು ಕಾಳಜಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅವರ ವೆಲ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್, ಹೂ ಕೇರ್ಸ್? ಇಫ್ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ, and if you look at inward look at Mahabharata, then you will very clearly understand these four cardinal principles. Chaturvida phala ಏನಿದೆ? ಧರ್ಮ, ಅರ್ಥ, ಕಾಮ, ಮೋಕ್ಷ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಮೋಕ್ಷ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಪರೀತ ಆಸೆ, ವಿಪರೀತ ಕಾಮ. Let's just look at Mahabharata. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು 4 ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ 4 ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. Are you following and are you emphasizing the fact, I am interested not only in you, I am interested, is your family having the same principles like what you are having? Because you are all selfish. You are selfish. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು ಯಾತಕ್ಕೆ? I am not insisting that your family should come here. I am just making you are the pinpoint, you are the center of energy in your family. So you don't understand dharma, artha, kama, moksha. So when you yourself don't follow these 4 tenets, the 4 cardinal principles, if your family is not understanding, because it's you are to be pinpointed. Because you don't know how to bond yourself emotionally. ನಿಮಗೆ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪರಾಭಕ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪರಾಭಕ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ. ಭಕ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಿಲ್ಲ? ಈ 4 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. You have not understood the 4 cardinal principles. What are the 4 cardinal principles? Pasha chedanena. These 4 cardinal principles, when you follow this, automatically you are able to cut asunder the bond of kama, krodha, lobha, mada, matsariya, raga, dvesha. ಈ 4 ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇ ಯು ಆರ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಅಸೆಂಡರ್. ಇದೇ ಕಾಶ್ಯಪರು ಹೇಳೋದು. Very clearly cut open that emotional bonds, because these fellows are not doing, not only for you, for everybody. You are not doing this. You are not upbringing your family. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಆಗಾಗ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಆಗಾಗ ಓಕೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಯು, ಹಾಗೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ಗಳು ಹೊಡಿತೀರಾ ನೀವು. Are you telling from the heart? ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Where is this pasha? This pasha is in the heart. ಹಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದು ಮೈಂಡ್ಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಕ್ರಮೇಣ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ಫಸ್ಟು ಈ ಧರ್ಮ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಧರ್ಮನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಡಿಸೈರ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಮನೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಧರ್ಮ ಅರ್ಥ, ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಮ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಮೋಕ್ಷ. ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಬೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ ಎಮೋಷನಲಿ. So it binds us in our true spirit. ಗಾಡ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಟ್ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ದೇವ್ರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ, ಗೋಡೆಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ ದೇವರು, ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಏನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಡಂಬರ ಪೂಜೆ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಈಗೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಅದರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. Otherwise, you are only dry bhakti. You don't have any kind of bhakti. For you to propitiate, God should be in front of you, not in the puja room. Mumukshatvada anubhavadalli you can reach God. What is the kind of a concentration and intensity? When meditation is what the intensity you have. So whatever meditation you do, in that 2 minutes or 3 minutes, you will get that intensity. You have to pray. Otherwise, you are only praying just to please yourself and to see people, you are pleasing other people. For that you want to ಆಡಂಬರವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಸಾಧನ. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಆರ್ ಯು ಟ್ರೂ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಟ್? You will not. You will never be true to your spirit. That is the whole problem with all of you. Pasha chedanena. This is the bond, emotional bond. You cut it open so that the true spirit called as Adhyatma, called as spirit in you, the spirit in you is called as Adi Atma athwa Adhyatma. That is that the true spiritness in you is laced with Parabhakti. Adhyatma andre eno? Adhyatma andre eno? You think it is spiritual. You think it is culture. Yes. You have to be true in your spirit. Honesty, integrity, sincerity. When you have all this, then the resistance power in you will rise from 0 to infinity. When it rises above 100, then you will start having darshans of God in front of you, inside you, beside you, front of you. When you look at all the spiritual stories, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪರಾಭಕ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆ ರೀತಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಡವಳಿಕೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಪರಾಭಕ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಇಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಇಸ್ ಆನ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಟು ಇನ್ವೋಕ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯು, ಈಚ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ like a Sudama. Instead, each one of you is like Duryodhana. ಕಥೆಗಳು ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಮಹಾಭಾರತ ಕಥೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ರಿಸೈಟು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯು? ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಇನ್ವೋಕ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ? ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವೋಕ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿವೋರ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ. ಡಿವೋರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? ನುಂಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು ಕೃಷ್ಣನ್ನ. ನುಂಗಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? then there is a new establishment called as Krishna consciousness. So your consciousness should become Krishna, or it should become the God what we worship. It will become, your consciousness should become Nimishamba, should become Krishna, should become and reflect the 33,000 crore forms of Sanatana Dharma gods. When are you going to be like that? Yavaga? Why you are not? I am giving you confidence. You can be. Why? Because nimige sikkapate distraction. One small distraction will deviate you.
For more satsangs from Sri Sri Nimishananda Guruji, subscribe to this channel. Click the bell button below to get notifications. Like and share the video and spread the divine message.